You can feel the coming snow. You can smell and feel the Christmas atmosphere. Christmas market, a back snowman sledding snowball fights. Yes, that pleases the children's heart. Malt wines are parents' favorite ones, and Christmas is already around the town. Christmas blues, Christmas blues, Christmas blues, and the Christmas blues is in town. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Christmas blue spreads of cinema wine, tea, coffee, and melted cheese, and at least shining eyes, shining stars, shining Christmas lights. Christmas blue spreads artfully decorated trees. We hope that Rudolph runs early enough. We hope that Rudolph running fast enough. Ooh, Christmas blue, Christmas blue, Christmas blue, and the Christmas blues is in town. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Run, Rudolph, run, run, Rudolph, run. Exactly the time when the family's getting closer. Enjoy the time together. The children are looking forward to the gifts. Don't forget to go to church. Don't forget the people who are lonely. Don't forget those who are urgently depending on help. And don't forget it can hit everyone. Yes, it can hit everyone.